Good morning, children. Welcome to RV online class. So today I am explaining you introduction to sociology. So this is coming in sociology in this block. So in this first lesson, introduction to sociology. In this lesson, these are points I am going to explain you. First one, human beings are social beings. The meanings of sociology, definitions of sociology, origin of sociology, scope of sociology, and nature of sociology. So these all points I am going to explain you one by one. So first, in this lesson, we are going to study the origin, meaning, nature, scope, and importance of this all sociology. Okay. Then again, after again, some points are there that are the relationship between sociology and other social science and early Western sociology and some thinkers of the sociology, Auguste Comte, Karl Marx, then Emile Durkheim, then Max Weber. These all because about them we are studying deeply. Then again, many are there. So Indians also, Indians, important Indians. So in that, B.R. Ambedkar, G.S. Gure are there. So we all studying these all points. Now start first introduction of the sociology. So human beings is a fascinating one. Okay, is it? The human being's life is very interesting life. Then human beings have always tried to understand the environment, nature, and it self-created. What they creating, they're all things. Then social world since age deeply and it is going on. Okay. So then again, human beings are different from other animals and are intellectual beings, means they are very intelligent and nice beings, so comparing to other animals. So human beings, they are also calling the animal, social animal, is it? So then there are a lot of difference between animals and human beings, is it? Yes or no? Okay. Then again here, different in body structure and rate of growth, food, what we are eating, that one, and our growth also, and our style, and our creativity, that one, and many things comparing in brain also. And we can notice these all things difference between the human beings and animals. So these all are the difference between the animals and the human beings, but we are calling the human beings also a social animal. The human society has evolved stage by stage. Here human beings society, it is going on stage by stage. Okay, so it is attempting to know more about the neighboring planets with the help of advanced science and technology. Here human beings, we are just not living on the earth only. Just by the help of advanced technology, we are moving to other planets also. Means we are little bit intelligent. By stage means before we are don't know anything. Slowly we understanding how to live, how to stay. Then slowly we are started developing our everything. Means our activities, and then lastly we know the science and technologies help. We took the help of science and technology and we started moving to other planets also. By this way we are improving and we are developing ourselves. Now the first, human beings are social animals. So sorry, that's good. Human beings are social beings. So here the relationship between the individual and society, here the relationship between the individual and society means our person and the society are and society are very unique. There is no society without individual and there is no individual without society. A person without society, he can't live in society, is it? Alone he can't live. If he want to live alone means he had to go to forest, is it? If he want to live in society means he had to live with the society only, and society also living with the individual only. So here, if one think generally whether an individual can live alone on the earth, the answer is no, is it? If any person he want to live without the society, it is impossible. In olden days also, how they started living, how they started growing themselves, then they started developing their groups, individual groups, slowly, one by like this. Means 4 5 members one group, then 1 4 5 members one group, like this. Then slowly it will develop and it will become the slowly village, then big village, then town, like this, then city states, like this it will become. And the people, those who are intelligent, they started ruling, is it like this? So here, impossible, individual, he can't live without society on the earth. He always longed to live with other human beings. The social living is necessary for the well-being and growth. Here, a person, he is living on the earth, means he had must and should, he had to live in the society only. Otherwise, his surrounding, his members, his human beings, maybe their relatives, maybe others, just they want. If they want to live alone, means they will leaving everything and they go going in forest and they live. But there also, just they are praying the God. But someone going and meeting them, otherwise they are meeting to other animals or human beings when they are moving. So totally we can't live without the human beings. So means society. Okay, so here we say that human society is called as a web of social relationship. Human beings, here the society is called the social web, means a web of social relationship. Means here one person, he started staying on the earth and he started living, means around his many relations are there. Means a person, he is a father, he is a grandfather, he is a brother, he is a other relative, like this. So he is surrounded by the social relationship, like this. So second, the meanings of sociology. Here the meanings of sociology. The word sociology originates from two words here. This word is originated from the two words. One is socius of Latin language and logos of Greek language. This logos, it came from the Greek, and socius, it came from the Latin language. So here socius means companion. So means here companion. So socio means companion, means a person, a human being. Then and again logos means steady here. Logos means steady. So here this is the sociology is the study of human beings or society. Here means we are the people, we staying here in society. So that one. Okay, now next it is definitions. Definitions of sociology. So here, Auguste Comte, sociology is the science of social phenomena subject to the natural and irreversible laws. The discovery of this object in here, it is, means here they are saying that it is the phenomena subject of the nature. Means what we have, that fact, it's okay. Then Max Weber, sociology is behavior. Here sociology is we are studying, no, that is the social behavior. What we are the doing that one, it's study. Emily Durkheim, sociology is the science of social institutions. Here what we are saying, sociology, it is the science of institution. So here in general, one can define sociology as the study of human society. In shortly, in nice best definition, it is that the sociology as the study of human society. In shortly, sociology means it is the study of human society. So here, these are the some definitions. Now, origin of sociology. So here, origin of sociology. The being of sociology as an independent and spread here field of science was during the middle of 19th century here. Then it becomes specific science in the later 50 years. Means after that. Then through other social science like history, political science, then economic and other have longer history. Other sciences, they have a longer history, but this one is less. They were organized as social science during revolutions. When revolution started in the world, at that time they called the social science. The intellectual stimulation provided by social and religious reforms movement, then Renaissance and other movements of 16th and 18th century here in the origin of sociology. In 16th and 18th century, it started the sociology about studying about its definition, everything. But other studies, political, economic, history, before only it started. Okay, now next, scope of sociology. So here, scope of sociology. Here we studying about the sociology studies the human society. This sociology, it is the study of the human society. How history, it is the study of the past of the everything, our society, what happened, how it happened, that one, who ruled, how they ruled, that one. Here sociology means it is the study of human society. It study human social life, social relationship, social institutions, and social process. Means here how they done, what they done, how they staying, that everything here we are going to study about the human society in sociology. So next, nature of sociology. So here, nature of sociology. Sociology has a unique place among all the social science. This sociology, it has a unique place in all social science because it studies the society, not the other things. So that's why it have a little bit place, nice place in society. So here it is different from other social science due to its unique nature. It is different from the other social science because it's a unique nature. Then sociology considered as an independent and separate field of study here because it is studying about the only society, means how our behaviors, our process, how we are doing, how we are living style, that everything. So again, the features of sociology are here given all one by one. So I will say one by one. That one, first one, sociology is a social science and not a physical science. It is a social science, not a physical science. Okay. So sociology belongs to the group of social science and not to the group of physical science. It is study social, means yes, it studies social life and activities of human social. It also means human society. It also has a close relation with other social science like history, political science, economic, then other social, other science. Okay. So here this sociology, it is the study of the only social science, not the physical or other science. Okay. So here it is very unique, and here we are studying the sociology. At that time we have a little bit relationship between sociology and again history, then political, then economic. How means we are staying in the society. So how our condition of economic is there, that one coming in sociology, and how we ruling the our society, that one coming. Then again our activities and social life, how we are staying, our social life means high class, low class, that all things. So these all are little bit like our relatives, how we are have the relatives like that. Here sociology is related is between the economic, social, and political. So second point, that is the sociology is definitive study, but not a directive study. It is a definitely not a direct. So sociology study human society as it is. It never engaged in how it should be studied. It does not engage in value judgment. It aims here. It aims at objective study. Only sociology remains natural in value based aspects here. We are studying when sociology, at that time sociology it have its exactly what it have, not simply from that or this it will take in. So third point, sociology is a pure science and not an applied science here. It is a pure science, not by applying by others. So sociology is interested in some objective study that results in the formation of empirical body knowledge only. It is not an applied science which is interested in experiments here. If we are have the sociology, it is a pure science. Is it? What have that only we are writing and we are studying. It is not a applied science. Means here science, that how we are applying means first we are doing the experiment. If it is good means then we are applying in our life. Not like that it is. It is a very pure. So then sociology is an intangible science and not a taggable science here. Sociology is not interested in some of the taggable aspects of human lives, and it has interested in the form and pattern. Here, pattern of human events, it has no interested here. It has not any interested here in any specific battles or revolution like history. It considered their events as here patterns and forms of social conflicts and subjects then to science study here. Okay, then fifth point, sociology is a journal science and not a special science. This sociology, it is a journal science, not a special science. Among all the social science, only sociology studies the journal interactions involving human beings like relation, political and economic, moral and intellectual aspects. It has a wider scope than other social science here. This sociology, it has general science and not a special science. This in special science, it have the limited. Okay, it not have space for others. But here sociology, it have the space for the other science like political, economic and religions like this all. The importance of sociology. What is the importance of sociology here? Though sociology is the youngest science among all the social science, its users are universe. This science is the younger science. So here, first one, sociology studies human society scientifically. This sociology, it will study the human society scientifically. How it is? Sociology here, here sociology, it have some construct a systematic body of knowledge of human society with its scientific study. This aids progress in other fields of human life here. This sociology studies human society, is it? So how it will study means here about its human society and it's said how it is doing means moving on that about that here we are studying scientifically studies. Then again supplement the personality development here. Second point. So that one human beings that human being is mainly a social being. This one before only I told human beings are the social animal. So it is a social being who is often accepted to get adjusted to the changing nature of society here. We are the social animal and always we are changing our social life, natures also, our society according to ourselves. Before in olden days we are staying in the little bit limited in our society means it not have too much luxury life but nowadays it is too much. So by this way we are staying our society, it means how we are that way we are changing our societies by creating holistic understanding of social structure, growth and changes and individual responsibility. Sociology, it got the personal development here. The sociology, it is a personal development. Yes, before only I told, in olden days we not develop ourselves more. So it is limit. It have its limit only. But how it going? The time is going on. That way we are changing ourselves, our society. So like that, we had to change ourselves and our society. Then understanding social process here. So sociology aids the proper here understanding of social process by studying here the religion, traditional culture, social rules and regulations, values and ideas of other various societies. Sociology is helpful in understanding the interrelationship of various social institutions here. This sociology, we understanding the social process. How here? Then how means here we understanding the study of relations. Our relations means when we are studying our society, then only we can understand others' relation with the other peoples and with ours. Then it means one surrounding. We have one society. In that we are staying very happily. We can understanding their relationships and we can understand their traditionals. Means for example, many caste people staying in our country. So we all are understanding each other, our traditional customs. customs and activities and progress, how we are. So that all we are learning together in our society. So it is the sociology is helpful in understanding the interrelationship of our various social institutions. Is it? So next point. Third point, sorry, fourth point, aids in understanding social problems and its their solutions. So every society suffer from its own social problems. Is it? Every society they have the problems of their own. So how it will move? Then, in facting, problems like crime, then other criminals problems, then crashing, then other hunger, many types of the caste-based discriminations, unemployment, gambling, then other child labor, many are there. These all are the social problems. Means these all are the social problems. But when we are in the society, we can understand these all problems. So here, scientific study of these problems here, better insights which aids in scientific solution. Is it? So many problems are there in our society. That all we can understand better in our society, in our sociology. So sociology supports the effective implementation of development programs here. So it how it will help here by studying human society here scientifically here. Sociology aids the effective implementation of development programs here. Here in our society, doing many type of development programs. By the help of these development programs here in our society, many people they started following that programs, and our society it will change. It will become the better society. So then, inter relationship between sociology and other social science here. How this sociology and other science are interrelated. So in that, sociology is the youngest among all the social science. Before only I told that it is the younger from other social science. Then it has its own field of study and has interrelationship with other social science also. It has its own and other relationship with the other social science. So relationship between sociology and political science. Between the sociology and political science. Here how it is. So here there is close relationship between sociology and political science. How? Because sociology it is the study of society. In society we are staying means we have the study about the political also. Why? Political means it is ruling. How ruling, who ruling, when he ruling, that all. So it have a close relationship between the sociology and political science here. So political science study the interaction between political institutions, the political life of human beings and political institutions of human society here. So sociology studies the various social institutions like social groups and other institutions like social institutions that function within the political structure here. So here we are studying about the sociology, is it? So here political science. Political science it is also studying about the ruling of the peoples. Means in society only ruling. Means in society, people's common peoples they are staying. One person is the strong, so that's why he started ruling. So ruling and social, these both are the relation. They both have a relationship. Then relationship between sociology and history also. Then sociology. So history are interacted. History is the reaction of the life of a peoples in society, political society. Means here this social society. Sociology is the recreation of contemporary society here. Again, this sociology supports historian by providing scientific knowledge of various social institutions and their rules and functions here. Means here this relationship between sociology and history. It is also very important and very good. How means in society only we stay. So history it is must and should. Who ruled, how ruled, when they are done the work, whatever may it happen, it's past. So that all must and should we have to study. So here also sociology and history, it have a close relationship. How the political science and the sociology have the relation. So relationship between sociology and anthropography and anthropology. So the relationship between sociology and anthropology are widely recognized here. It have recognized the culture and social path of human beings and its history is studied. Here anthropology, sociology growth they independently by studying the social activities. Then again here means history holistically. It provides subject means here it provides the objects and activities and analyze the various social institutions. Then second, last one means one more is there. So relationship between the sociology and physiology. So this one also, it is also have they also have each other relationship between both. Then again here also behavior aspects of human beings. From these all things are see sociology study the social behavior. Sociology it giving the more importance to this and social interactual functions of social institutions that all combining and it started staying. So it also giving more importance. Then relationship between sociology and economic. So this is also very important. Here sociology it have the relationship between the economic also. So how it is economics studies the social economically activities of human beings here. Economics it studies about the economic behavior, economic activities of the human beings. So it is also coming in the society. So society means sociology. Sociology seeks to understand the interaction between economical and social activities of human beings here. So human beings activities and social economic conditions that all the related to the each other. It also probe how human beings form the economic activities here. Here for living safely and living in luxury life and keeping some safety for them. So this for these all things they had to earn the amount. So that's why here they started earning. So they started the maintaining the economic condition. So this is the related to the society only. So in society they want to stay high post nicely means they had to earn. So this is the related to the society. Society means sociology. So here this is also important relationship between the sociology and economic. So by this way here this is also very important. And here in a nutshell means in we have to say that one thing while analyzing the social behavior sociology interact with other social science in its own way. So here sociology it is interacting its own way. How means by the help of the society they are related to the history, then political, then economic, then physiological, anthropological. These all things are related to the sociology. Means sociology it is the study of the totally one thing that is the society. So society it is related to the history, past, and its present also, and its economic conditions also, its political conditions also, everything how they are living. These all things are coming in one society only. So this sociology it is related to this all activities. And here sociology it is the youngest science. Other science they are came before only, but this is the afterwards came it is in 18th century. So this is the youngest science and it is very helpful in staying the society. So sociology it is must and should we have to study about the society, how we have to live, how we have to improve ourselves. Then everything we are getting without relationship. Yeah, human being he can't live in individually. He can't live. He must and should he have to live with the society only. So here society it is must and should. So here I given these all points and other points also I explained. Remaining points I will explain in other means next class. So in that it will come early sociologists. In that August complete that other people's all is there. So I will explain about them. So in this I explain you about these lessons. Introduction to the sociology. In this lesson, human beings are social beings. Is it? Human beings are the social beings. Means we are a social animal. We are staying in the society. Then the meaning of sociology. So sociology means what? I told you, sociology means it is the study of the human beings. Means we given that it's a socius, it came from the Latin word, logi, it came to the Greek. Is it? So logi, it is the study, socius, it is the study of the human beings, one person or human being. Okay. Definitions of sociology. So here I given the definitions of the sociology also. So origin of sociology, how its origin, then scope of sociology, nature of sociology, and after that, nature of sociology. After that, many points I given its relationship. Then it inter relationship between the sociology and other social science. So in that coming social relationship between the sociology and political science and history, political, economic, everything are coming in that. So these all points I explained. Remaining points I will explain in next class. So I hope you all understood, children. Thank you. God bless you.